This is a new model and it just got launched today actually. Take this home. Like I could have taken all of them home. This is going to be mine. Wow. Wow, I have a cushion in here. What is happening? This is a real fluffy cushion, guys. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to pick up a new bag and I'm super excited, and I think it's something entirely new. Like, I don't have a bag in that color specifically. I've never even had one in that color, so super exciting. I got my little sky panda and servette bag with me today, and I would say let's go on an adventure. So guys, this is a new model and it just got launched today actually, and this is a tote entirely made out of raffia, because even the logo, because usually guys, we're used to seeing the brown leather on the raffia as well, right? And I just need to keep an eye on my bag there. And I think this is really nice. It's pretty much understated as well. And guys, you know that I love my little sky panda so much, and this servette bag. Okay guys, so we got a bag, and yeah, big thank you. Woo! Big thank you to Celine, and I would say let's go home and film the unboxing. Hello everybody, we just got back and oh my god, I found the summer bag of my dreams. I couldn't be happier. Honestly, this blew me away, and the more I kept thinking about it, I was like, oh my god, this might be the bag for me. Actually guys, let me adjust this. So here we are, and guys, I don't know if you've seen my short, but it's Celine, you know, they always have the most gorgeous bags and you don't really know what to choose, but I loved so many, and I was thinking about a raffia bag for so long. I love my Armando Cervino bag from last year. That bag's still incredible. That's my beach bag like forever, for sure. But Celine had so many gorgeous bags, and I really don't know. Like, I could have taken all of them home. By the way, if you do not watch my shorts, make sure to go check them out, because I'm going to publish more short shopping vlogs, because it's easier for me. You guys know I still want to get the other channel up and running, but there's like a lot more research that goes into that, obviously. So, you know, it can take a while. But definitely make sure to check out my shorts, because I'm going to be on shorts more often from now on. Thank you for everybody who's joined me over there already, and yeah, definitely let me know what your favorite Celine bag is at the moment, or what your favorite summer bag is going to be for this year, because this is going to be mine. I hope the lights are bright enough, because it's a gloomy grey day today. Let's do this. So they wrapped it up so nicely. The biggest thank you to Celine, by the way. They are the absolute kindest. I got my Tilly bag from them last year, and I absolutely loved that bag. I wore it every single day throughout the entire year, summer, winter, it doesn't matter. It looked amazing both with white summer dresses as well as with my white, you know, unreal fur coat in winter. So, and it's such a practical bag, and you guys know I wanted a second Celine bag for a while, so I cannot believe that this has, you know, become reality now. I am super excited, and I might just wear this bag today already, because, you know, it actually doesn't matter for this bag if it's raining or if the sun is shining. If you have any idea of what I got, post it in the comment section now. Now is the time to put your guesses in. Ooh, wow, okay, they packed it really nicely. That's great. Wow. Wow, I have a cushion in here. But okay, Celine has really upped their packaging game. Like, I don't think even Hermes, Birkins and Kellys come with cushions. I think they come with paper cushions, not with real cushions. What is happening? This is a real fluffy cushion, guys. Okay, this is the moment. Okay, any other fashion house can really take inspiration from this. I think last year my bag was just in the dust bag in the box. We have two cushions protecting this bag. I think you can use these for like to stuff your bags as bag shapers. But okay, this is and we got a second. We got a second cushion. Let me know if you got anything recently from Celine and if it came with cushions as well. I've never gotten any of my exotic bags. None of them came with cushions. Okay, put your guesses in now before we do the reveal. Oh wow, okay, so this is the Celine dust bag and it is really thick as well. Wow, they really upped their game. Oh my god, I can see something already, guys. Okay. Okay, you can't see a lot yet. They wrapped it so well. Here we go. Can you guess? Now you can guess. Yes, now you can see more. There was another little glove that fell down. Look at how they have protected this. Wow. And look at the chain. Wow. Okay, I am in love, guys. This is my new everyday companion. And here we can see the bag still has the sticker on. And look at that gorgeous beige. Patent leather. Wow, this is one of the best bags I've gotten recently. And look at this. So okay, on the inside it even had a piece of, you know, another piece of like protection. And what is all of this? I think this is it now, guys. This is the bag. It says Celine Paris right here. Can we see that? Got one slip compartment here and just one major main compartment. And this is how you close it. But now the best thing to still happen, guys, is this chain. How well protected this bag is. Definitely let me know, because I always need inspiration for future videos and stuff as well. Let me know what your bag for the summer is and if you have any travel plans, because we're still thinking, do we just go back to the Canary Islands again, or you know, do we go to a new place? We definitely want to go to maybe back to Japan at the end of the year. Sometimes I still get scar pain when I'm sitting, I think, you know, from the adhesions and everything. So I don't want to travel too far too quickly. 4 to 6 hours my maximum at the moment. Don't think I can do 14 hours to Japan yet. I am absolutely hyped. Here's the beautiful chain. We are going to get there. There. This is easier now. Here we are. Wow, okay, I still have the sticker on. I'm gonna leave it on for now. I hope you can see the hardware anyway. And then you have this gorgeous chain. This is more like an antique brass gold as well. It looks antique. Maybe I show you a close-up later. My camera doesn't want to focus. This bag is just incredible, and I thought with this beige, this is like an asymmetric beige dress. I love it. I don't know what happened to me, guys, after everything I've been through. In the past, I loved black. 80% of my wardrobe was black. And now I just love cream and beige and white. So, yeah, I guess we all change. So, hello. This is my new baby, my new beauty. And, okay, she's gorgeous. She is absolutely gorgeous. Can we take a moment? And it's light. Like, if you think about my Bottega Veneta chain pouch, that chain is heavy. It is, you know, right now, like, I wouldn't be able to carry it anymore. For me, it's super important to get super lightweight bags that I can, you know, just wear as everyday bags. All my really beautiful big bags at the moment, like, I cannot wear them because I just don't want to do it to my body. I'm still weak. I need to start training again at some point. So lightweight bags it is. Lightweight, comfortable bags. And this sits on the shoulder so nicely. This is the gorgeous chain. What do we think? Did I you know, choose the right bag for the summer. Let me actually get the Tilly quickly. This is what I got last year and I really like this bag a lot. And actually it fell down in the airport and it's a white bag, but nothing happened. So the quality is really amazing. And I imagine that with patent leather the quality is even better because, you know, it can rain, the sun can shine, you can have a snowstorm, it doesn't matter. Like nothing is happening to this leather. It's just incredible. Whereas this is just calf leather. It held up beautifully as well. And honestly, this bag fell down once because somebody bumped into me. And even the hardware, like it fell down like this basically. I haven't even cleaned it yet. So I think if I would condition it, it would look even better. So yes, this is my Celine Tilly and this is my Celine Talulah bag. They come in like a black as well and we tried them on in winter and I was already in love with the black one and thinking about it. But I mean, you know, I have enough black bags, that's what I told myself. So to see that they bring this one out, wow, in such a gorgeous beige, it really is the perfect beige for summer. Oh, by the way guys, one moment. I have to show you this. Oh. Yes, this is my soy milk Labubu, the one that came to New York with us, the one that's going to travel the world with us. And I got her a little raincoat for when it's raining, when you have like a grey day today, and you guys know it's always raining in London, so you know you better be prepared. And I got her this cool raincoat and that should hopefully protect her fur. But to be honest, it's so incredibly cute. This is the first time I got shoes for Labubus as well. Look at this, and then you can obviously take them off. I think I would lose them, to be honest. They don't stay on that way. So I think this is, you know, for the rainy days in life. You can still wear her on your back in her tiny little raincoat. How cute is this? It's not the most glamorous thing, of course, so let's take that off her. Let's free her, but I thought, you know, I have to show you this, guys. So you can also just let it, you know, be open. Very casual, very casual. And then, you know, how cute is this? With this chain, it's super cool because I think I can either decide to hang her down there. Or guys, I was thinking of actually just hanging her a little bit higher. So let's say, where should we have her? Here. Just clip her on here. Oh, Labubu fight, yes. Is this cute? I know, either you love them or you hate them, I think. Well, I'm too deep down the rabbit hole. They are just way too cute. So, okay guys, this is it. This was the video, yes. Okay guys, I mean, I had to come back for this baby. It's entirely wrapped up still, so can't believe that. I thought because this came out in winter I would get like a, you know, display model or anything like that, but this is, wow, I think this is it. Should we take this? Should we take this home? I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all clearly do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. And yeah guys, I see you very soon actually for a super special and super fun vlog. So see you soon guys, bye!